In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your Instagram followers. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. Then at the very top you can easily find the exact number of your followers, and if we tap right here, that will show us the list of all our followers. We can go through all of these lists, and right from here we can also tap at someone's username or at their profile picture to get to their profile page, and then we can message them, we can do all this stuff like follow back, and of course we can see their photos. And right from here, from your followers page, you can also see the accounts you don't follow back. So you can just stop right here, and that will show you the accounts which are currently following you, but you don't follow them back. You can follow them back easily by tapping right here at that follow button, and also you can tap at remove to remove some particular account from your followers. So I can just tap at remove. It says that Instagram wouldn't tell that user that they were removed from your followers. To remove the account from your followers, tap at remove. And also, if we go back here to our followers, we can find another category, least interacted with. If we get into it, that will show us accounts we have interacted with the list in the last 90 days. And that's where we can check that accounts, and also we are able to tap at remove to remove some particular account from our followers. That's how you can easily check Instagram followers. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.